part is to make a read-friendly manuscript. That means that when I, as an editor, gets the manuscript, I must be very motivated to read your manuscript. That means that you need to ensure that the manuscript doesn't have typos in it, that you are organized, that I don't ask the questions, but why? So get organized, make sure that your manuscript adheres to our specific way of working in that journal so that I can skim read quite fast and effectively. And also make sure that you have a very convincing first page. So a title, an abstract, keywords, to help your paper stand out and that also can give me a short gist of what is actually the topic of the paper. So consider this as a graphical abstract sometimes. Some journals allow this, or even to send in a video summary. Sometimes the video summary would have the researcher, and sometimes the video summary would also be an animation of the research. Especially when you are looking at journals that serve a wider public. Let's say the medical field is quite a big field. At the same time, when you are serving it, sometimes you will not be just serving the subspecialized physicians, but will also be serving a more general group of researchers. Therefore, so important to avoid the jargon and abbreviations as much as possible in manuscripts in order to maintain a good readability, and also include all key data to convey a complete story.